Here's how to check your Oculus account email and password. I will show you two different ways to check your account password and email. In first way, we will check the password in Google Password Manager. If you ever saved your Oculus password and email in your Google, then open your browser and click on this three dot. And if you're Chrome browser, then directly click on password and fill and click on Google Password Manager. And in the search passwords box, type here Oculus, and here you will find oculus.com. Click on that. If you already saved your Oculus account login credentials, then here you will find your Oculus account email address and your account password. Click on this little eye icon to make the password visible. And the second method is simply type here oculus.com, and now we have to sign into our account. So click on this account icon and click on login, and go ahead and log into your Oculus account. Once you're successfully logged in, again click on your profile photo, and this time click on account center, and here click on personal details, click on contact info, and here you'll find your Oculus account email address. And if I go to password and security option, here as you can see, here is no option to check or view your current password, but you can change your Oculus account password from here. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. See you in the next tutorial.